Students of class 9 and 11. Today I am going to discuss very important phenomenon. Bomb क्रैकर्स जब भी हम लोग छोड़ते हैं तो उसके फ्रैगमेंट्स चारों तरफ क्यों फैलता है? Why the fragments of the bomb spreads along all the direction? What is the principle behind it? इसको हम लोग देखते हैं क्या प्रिंसिपल है. तो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, law of conservation of momentum, linear momentum is the basic principle behind it. Momentum remains conserved. That is why the different fragments moves in different direction. So let us come to the point. To understand that fact, let us consider a bomb. This is a bomb. Bomb is at rest. Its mass is capital M, having velocity 0 because it is at rest. Now let the bomb cracks. For our simplicity, we have taken only two fragments of mass m1 and m2 moving with velocity v1 and v2. So what is the initial momentum of the bomb? It is at rest. Therefore, its momentum, initial momentum pi will be 0. Mass into velocity is 0. So it will be 0. Now let it is bomb is blasted and into two fragments. It may crack into many fragments, but I have taken here only two fragments. So we have taken two fragments, exploded into two fragments, whose masses are m1 and m2, velocities are v1 and v2, as shown in this figure 2. Here it is figure 2 and this is figure 1. So what will happen? What will be the total momentum of these fragments? That will be the final momentum. As we know, masses remains conserved, so momentum here. So m1 v1 plus m2 v2, this will be the final momentum. So according to law of conservation of momentum, initial momentum of the bomb should be equal to final momentum of all the fragments. So initial is equal to final. Initially the momentum was 0. Final it is m1 v1 plus m2 v2, and therefore it comes to m1 v1 is equal to minus m2 v2. This minus sign indicates that if m1 is moving along left side, then m2 will move along right side, and the speed is also depends on its size, masses. If it is heavier mass, the speed v1 will be lesser than v2. That is why when bomb explodes, its fragments spreads along all the direction. Okay, thank you.